Summary and Analysis of Nole Me Tangere by Baby Bianca D. Velasquez. Rizal prefaces Noli Me Tangere with a short dedication to the Philippines. He writes that there are certain kinds of cancer that are incredibly vulnerable and sensitive to touch, growths aggravated by even the slightest contact. Rizal says he often thinks of his country in these terms, stating that he believes the Philippines suffers from a social and because he wants good health for his nation, he resolves to reproduce its current condition faithfully, without prejudice, so that he might lift the veil hiding its ills and sacrifice everything to the truth. Analysis. This preface to Noli Me Tangere ensures that the readers understand that the novel is intentionally political, although the pages that follow this short chapter often preoccupy themselves with the melodramatic love scenes and action plot. It's clear from the very first pages that Rizal is primarily interested in exploring what was then the taboo topic of political corruption in the Philippines. Thank you for watching!